Hello everyone, this is Maria Webb, and I'm doing a quick demo of what Orgonite is, so those of you that are interested in the class can get a little preview of what we will be discussing. This is Orgonite, both in this pyramid and in these circles. This is a little demo of what they can be used for. Under plants for helping with growth, under cell phones, as coasters for your drinks, and these can be used by your bed for improved sleep or in your meditation area. This is what Orgonite is made of. 3 parts: a resin and a hardener, quartz, and metal. It can be any kind of metal. Copper is the most conductive, but any kind of metal will do. And here we go. Pour it all, mix it all up in the cup. You layer all your pieces in and pour it into a silicone mold. When you pop it out of the mold, it will look like this. You actually pour it top first, bottom last. And however you make it is up to your own creativity, but it always has the same 3 components: the resin with the hardener mixed together to create the organic layer, an inorganic layer of metal, and quartz. Everything else is up to your own imagination and needs. If you have any questions, email me, or you can reach me on Facebook. All the information is in the comments, or the description below. And there will also be a link to the Eventbrite page, as this is a ticketed event. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a wonderful day.